Something to the candle, guys. So shall you blow out, okay? How many minutes to access it? It's only 2 minutes. I'm going to take a walk. Somewhere. I'm done. Asambeni guys, so bhatala i-Wi-Fi sabona senzana emall nje nokunye ngifuna nokupheka yabo into efana njengalezo. Let's go guys, let's go together. La bese ngiphexa ezinye izinto ze-KZN. Yo guys, ngithe mangiceda lapha ngathi ukuthi ngibhadale i-Wi-Fi cause what? We are nothing without i-Wi-Fi shem. Ani ngibona ngikhuphuka lama stepis and likely ngithole kungakagcwali la kuyagcwala uthi nawuvela so i-line vele already seliphumela ngaphandle. So I was so lucky bengakagcwali. I managed ukuthi ngenze izinto fast. Ngadlula ekameza ngadobha a few things nyana. Ayibona imira necamera. Amathu nolimi. Yo guys, kuningi nje azange senze nithi unboxing or what do you call it? Azange ngikhona ukuyenza. But namhlanje ngichina. Ngibona sali ukuthi ngichinana. But I want something simple. Yeah. Ngifuna into simple nje guys. Nothing hectic. Okay? So yeah. Something.
Come to the down klangana. No me ngalo kanga mbea. Ngalo kanga.
Oh, mele ngizithelele. Okay, gelweni bese kaqedile ukugcinela amuhle njoba ngihlelela bese ngilinde i-Lorange scene i-call bese khona lapho kumele ngiyekhona quick. Asambeni semngcwabeni guys. Kuneneighbor yethu eshonile age group yethu nje. So ngathi azini awuthi nithatha bomakhiba msemngcwabeni and sihambe kahle guys. Sibahle kanjani? Yo sambeka uGuy and bekugqwele enye into angazi angifuna ukungasho nje mina guys yazi mina emngcwabeni once ibox lehla bavala hayi ngiyahamba hayibo nangifika endlini bathi hayibo girl akuna gas kwamele kube ngime ngigijima ngifuna igesi ke phela mara ngathi siyazi ngicithe ngigezi ngisala ngifunela uboy ikheke guys i-rent idura sis. Okay guys, ngathi ukuthi ngithenga nekheke ke since sengibuyile emngcwabeni. Ngashona isipake amakheke nje ayahlanyisa nje. Mara ke ngicine sengiphumile nekheke la kaboy.
Bangenzela abantu abajwayele yaphila na.
Yeah.
Uthi bangivushe ngo5% baba.
Bafuna ukudisha.
bafuna ukudisha ngofuna nishwa ngicabanga bathi babantshaleni basafuna ukunyishwana futhi
azithola kunjani na thina njengoba sikushaya nje uyaphuza kahle kuseni kumele ube khona ukuthi uzokhipha ngayo le philisi
fika namanapchisi bathatha iplastiki azi bawathengephi hayi uthatha ichisi endlini bakhipha abanapchisi
So guys, since we birthday yapha namhlanje I decided ukuthi ngona ngimphekele something special and futhi i-Women's Day should singenzela usihle ngenzela nomama. So ngathi ukuthi ngibashayile plate elikhala kahle bali enjoy nje lilanga leli cause elabo nje. Ushiza singabonga malume. Uthengeleni. Ngabona. Vula sibona. Shaka kanali. Okay, nice. Nice yabonga.
akajama ngapha lokusiza
Ngama paper wethu. Okay. Iza esa ama-carrots. Half boiled. What's in the half boiled? Yeah, something like this. Half boiled, right? Sama siapa dia? Kalau kita udah bisa sama juga. Baru tu add garlic ni. We are adding spices, spicy for the cube. Some basil. So we're gonna save the chicken. I'm gonna do the little Ini nggak bulu, jadi di sini nggak bulu itu kesana itu. It's a ice. Kasi kanuwaran na guys. Kanuwaran na guys. Oh. Naye yebo sengifaka nedama sauces ke. Now we are here. Nithi ngisho potato konje English is sweet potato. Yeah. Sweet potato yami angifaki amanzi guys ne. Ngihlisa umlilo kancane bese yana izozikhiphela yona amanzi phakathi. Hlelo kubani kanti lapha? Obafra inyama? So funa iqatha ke. Esta maviana. So afana la. Kule mina. Umuntu othengeke.
Una one, una two, una three, una four, una five, una six, una seven, una eight, una nine, una 10, una 11, una 12. Hey, yip yip, hooray! Sizokusikana. Ngiyoma msebenzi wenza nokuthi
Okay guys, this is my plate and some desserts. Nje ipete boy was wow. Thank you for watching, guys. Ngakhohlwa ukulike, subscribe, hit the notification bell.